students, today we are going to learn a new chapter, that is tense. Tense is very important from the grammar point of view, and it is going to be used later in your life. Every time you are in touch with this, after you close your studies also, it is very important. So today I will start this chapter. So what do you mean by tense? Tense literally it tells you about time. It tells you about time. By tense we understand the correspondence between the forms of verb and our concept of time. There are three types of tenses. First present, that is present tense. Second past tense, and third future tense. Now we'll come to present tense. What is present tense? Just see. A verb in the present tense tells about an action in the present time. That is now. Means जो action अभी हो रहा है. Like I am teaching you all. So this action is going on now. So it is in present tense. Like examples are cooks, reads, walks, buys. I buy vegetable. Here buy is what? It tells you about that it is in simple present tense. Next, past tense. A verb in the past tense tells about an action in the past time. That is earlier. Means जो action पहले हो चुका है. Like yesterday I taught you verbs. Yes. So yesterday I taught you verbs. Here means that action has been over. So by seeing the verb taught, we come to know about that it is in past tense. So next, future tense. A future tense verb tells you about an action in the future time. That is, means the action is yet to happen. Yet the action is going to be done. Okay. Means future में अभी कुछ होने वाला है. Like I will go to market tomorrow. Means हम कल जाएंगे. अभी नहीं कर रहे. अभी means present and it is not done before also. Like past. Means हम कल जाएंगे. Means will go tomorrow. So these are our tenses. First present tense. Second past tense. And third future tense. Now just see when we are going to use simple present tense. Simple present tense when it is used first to express habitual action. Second, it is used to tell you about general fact and general truth. Like habitual action. If I say example, just see. I brushes my teeth twice a day. I brushes my teeth twice a day. So twice. Brushes. यहाँ पे हम क्या use कर रहे हैं? We are using simple present tense to denote this sentence. Next example. Riya go to school daily. Riya goes to school daily. Here also we are expressing the habitual action and it is only to be done in simple present tense. Next is, it is also used for expressing general truth or fact. Like example, the sun is yellow in color. Is it universal truth or not? The sun is a red ball. Yes, it is a fact. We cannot change it. मतलब ये कभी change नहीं हो सकता. कुछ भी हो जाए, सब कुछ change हो जाएगा. But this geographical terms are not going to change. The earth goes round the sun. Is it going to change? I don't think so. It is not going to change. So it will be always being we are going to use simple present tense to express those sentences like general truth or facts. That's it. So students, once again I am repeating the topic, and just see on the board. Simple present tense. It is used to express habitual actions. It is used to express general truths and fact. It is used to express scheduled events that is to be in near future. ठीक है? Now just see example for habitual action. I have written here. Just see it. Riya brushes her teeth every day. Riya brushes her teeth every day. Means it is showing you all that it is done daily. It is done daily means it is in her habit. It is in her habit. So it is means we are using which tense? Simple present tense to express this habitual action. Next one, just see. Tina always play cricket. Tina always plays cricket. Same here also. She is always doing the action. Means she is always playing cricket. That's why here also we are using which tense? Simple present tense. Simply I want to tell you that whenever we are going to express any habitual actions, so what we will use? We will use simple present tense. Nothing else we are going to use. We will simply use our which tense? Simple present tense. Now next, just see when we are going to use when we are going to express our general truths or fact, that time also we have to use which tense? Simple present tense. Why? Because general truths or fact, they never changes. They never changes. Now again we are going to see general truth or facts. For this also, for expressing general truth or facts, we use simple present tense. Like just see the example, the sun rises every morning. The sun rises every morning. क्या आपको लगता है कि it is going to rise in night also or in the evening? No, no. It is general truth. It is our universal truth. It is not going to change. So for expressing that kind of truth, we use simple present tense. Here just see the next example is sugar is sweet. Sugar is sweet. Can sugar be sour? कभी ऐसा हुआ है? Sugar आपको कड़वा लगे खा ले तो या तीखा लगे? No, ना. It is also general fact. It is not going to change ever in your life. So for expressing this kind of sentences, we are going to use simple present tense. So our next topic. Now in this, we are going to see the next topic is scheduled events. Means the simple present tense is used for expressing scheduled events in the near future. The scheduled event in the near future. Like just see the example. Riya starts school tomorrow. Riya starts school tomorrow. Means the event has been planned and she is going to start for school tomorrow. Means कल वो school जाएगी. कब जाएगी? कल जाएगी. Means that is near future. Again next example, just see it. The new supermarket opens this Friday. The new supermarket opens this Friday. Means it is going to open this Friday.
Start.
Yeah, the new supermarket opens this Friday. Means this supermarket is new and it is going to open on the coming Friday. जो आने वाला Friday है. So for expressing this kind of sentence, we use simple present tense. The planned events or it opens this Friday means it is scheduled, it is planned. It is planned कि हम Friday को ही उसको open करेंगे या उसकी जो भी opening ceremony करेंगे. So it is going to open on this Friday only, not on any other day. Okay. So for